Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Unity skybox. First, understand that a skybox is a six-sided cube map that wraps around your scene, creating the illusion of a distant environment. It's crucial for setting the mood and providing a realistic backdrop, whether it's a clear blue sky, a starry night, or an alien landscape. We'll cover the essential steps to get your skybox looking great and integrated seamlessly into your project. Next, let's create the material that will define your skybox. In your project window, right-click and choose Create, then Material. Name it appropriately, perhaps My Skybox Material. Now, in the Inspector panel, change the shader drop-down to Skybox and then select Six-Sided. This will expose 6 texture slots for the front, back, left, right, up, and down faces of your skybox. Now it's time to assign your textures. You'll need 6 individual textures, one for each face of the cube. Drag and drop each texture into its corresponding slot in the My Skybox Material Inspector. For example, drag your front texture into the Front Positive Z slot. Make sure your textures are correctly oriented and have a resolution of at least 1024 by 1024 pixels for crisp visuals. Finally, let's apply your new skybox to the scene. Navigate to Window, then Rendering, and select Lighting. In the Lighting window, go to the Environment tab. You'll see a Skybox Material slot. Simply drag your My Skybox material from your project window directly into this slot. Your scene view will instantly update, showcasing your new skybox. You can also adjust the exposure and rotation properties for fine-tuning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.